Imagine a golden field stretching out as far as the eye can see, gentle waves rippling under a wide blue sky. For centuries, wheat fields like these have fed civilizations, provided livelihoods, and supported entire economies. But today, the world's population is growing faster than ever before, and the pressures on our food system keep increasing. Farmers are facing a new challenge: how to grow more wheat on the same amount of land, using fewer resources, and doing it all sustainably. Welcome to the world of modern wheat farming, a blend of age-old wisdom and cutting-edge technology that's changing the face of agriculture and paving the way for higher yields. Let's start with the seed, the foundation of every harvest. Not all wheat is created equal. Modern farmers choose high-yield, disease-resistant wheat varieties developed through years of research and selective breeding. These seeds are tailored to thrive in specific climates, resist common pests, and mature faster, helping farmers get ahead of unpredictable weather patterns. In some places, genetically improved wheat can produce 20 or even 30% more grain per acre compared to traditional varieties. But good seeds need healthy soil. Soil health is at the heart of every successful wheat farm. Today's wheat farmers treat the land as a living system, recognizing that the microorganisms, organic matter, and nutrients in the soil all play a role in supporting robust plants. Instead of relying solely on chemical fertilizers, many use crop rotation, alternating wheat with legumes or other crops that replenish the soil naturally. Cover cropping is another popular practice, where farmers plant certain species in the off-season to prevent erosion, boost fertility, and suppress weeds. The goal is to create a thriving ecosystem underground, one where wheat roots can dive deep and access the nutrients and water they need. Planting wheat today is not what it was a generation ago. Precision agriculture is making waves, giving farmers the tools to work smarter, not harder. GPS-guided tractors sow seeds in perfectly straight lines with incredible accuracy, ensuring every square foot of the field is used efficiently. Drones and ground-based sensors monitor soil moisture, plant health, and nutrient levels in real time. With a wealth of data at their fingertips, farmers can adjust seeding rates, irrigation, and fertilizer application on the fly. This data-driven approach means less waste, lower costs, and most importantly, bigger harvests. Water is the lifeblood of every crop, and in an era of erratic weather and frequent droughts, efficient irrigation techniques are more vital than ever. Traditional flood irrigation wastes tons of water. Today's wheat growers are turning to drip and sprinkler systems that deliver moisture directly to the roots, drop by precious drop. Some even use smart irrigation controllers that sync with weather forecasts, ensuring that crops are watered only when they truly need it. These advancements conserve water and help maintain steady growth during critical development stages, boosting the odds of a bumper crop. As wheat plants grow, they must contend with a host of threats: pests, diseases, and weeds that can slash yields and devastate entire fields. Modern wheat farmers are fighting back with integrated pest management, a holistic approach that combines biological, cultural, and chemical tools. Instead of blanket spraying pesticides, many use targeted applications based on real-time scouting data, only treating sections that truly need it. Beneficial insects, crop diversity, and careful weed management all play a role in this sustainable strategy, protecting both the harvest and the environment. Modern wheat farming isn't just about battling threats, it's also about perfect timing. From planting to harvest, every step is choreographed around the wheat plant's life cycle. Accurate weather forecasting and field monitoring help farmers decide exactly when to plant, when to apply fertilizers or fungicides, and ultimately, when to bring in the harvest. Waiting for the perfect moment can mean the difference between average and extraordinary yields. Fertilization has also undergone a revolution. While synthetic fertilizers are still widely used, the trend is moving towards site-specific nutrient management. Soil tests taken from across the field help determine exactly what each area needs, no more, no less. Some farmers even use variable rate technology to apply different amounts of fertilizer as they move across the field, tailored to the needs of each patch of soil. This not only saves money and reduces pollution, but also supports healthier, more productive plants. And when it's finally time to harvest, technology takes center stage once again. Modern combines are more powerful and precise than ever before. Equipped with sensors and satellite navigation, they can automatically adjust settings to optimize grain collection and minimize waste. Instant yield monitors track output as the combine moves across the field, giving farmers invaluable feedback to guide next year's decisions. It's a fast, efficient, and high-tech operation that ensures every kernel ends up where it belongs, in the bin, not lost on the ground. But the story of modern wheat farming doesn't stop at the farm gate. Today's growers are connected to networks of researchers, agronomists, and other farmers, constantly sharing insights and learning new techniques. They attend workshops, field days, and use online forums to stay up to date on the latest advancements. Many also participate in certification programs that promote sustainable practices and open up new markets for their wheat. Perhaps most inspiring, modern wheat farming acknowledges that the future belongs to those who care for the land. More and more, farmers are embracing no-till and reduced-till systems, which protect fragile soils, lock away carbon, and support wildlife. Solar-powered equipment, renewable energy, and environmentally friendly packaging are gaining momentum across the industry. The next wave of growth is as much about stewardship as it is about maximizing production. So what does all of this mean for the average person enjoying a loaf of bread or a plate of pasta? It means that behind every bite lies a story of innovation, resilience, and dedication. Modern wheat farmers are rising to meet the challenges of a hungry world, adopting new tools, embracing sustainable practices, and building a brighter future from the ground up. The next time you see those endless golden waves, remember, today's wheat fields are more than just scenery. They are the front lines of progress, where tradition meets technology, and where the future of our food takes root. Whether you're a farmer looking to boost your yields or a consumer eager to learn more, one thing is clear. Modern wheat farming is changing for the better, and it's a story worth watching, season after season.